Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to check the Saskatchewan River after the rain. We are here at Laurier Park and there is a river behind these bushes and it's spring right now and it just rained. It's been raining for several days. It is spring here in Canada, and the trees and the bushes are now out. They're beautiful. It's showing the green colors. Behind the bushes, on our right, there is a river, a part of Saskatchewan River. And I noticed that the water during spring, the water in the river is color brown. And I keep on wondering, why is it color brown? Of course, the water has been stirred by the rain and its current. But I checked the Google, the reason why. Let's go downstairs carefully. Why is the North Saskatchewan River brown? In the spring, the river appears muddy due to naturally occurring sediments which are washed into the river by increased flow. Because these sediments are constantly being stirred up, the brown foam sometimes seen on the river is normal organic water. During winter, the water freezes. and it melts in spring, and in summertime the water turned clear. It becomes greenish in color, and it is safe to do some recreational activities. During summer, the river is so alive with lots of people doing some recreational activities. There are some doing some SKIDDO, boat racing, and the people bringing their pets and the kids. It's so nice to step on the water because it is clear during summer. And important thing, you can find some gold in this river. You can do some gold panning and you will find some gold flower. It is fun in Saskatchewan River. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.